What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, UAG was kind enough to send me out these two cases, which are the Monarch Pro series for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So pretty much we have them in the green case with the orange accent with the Kevlar, the all black case with carbon fiber. These also have access to use MagSafe wireless charging. So first, let's do the black because this is what I want to do first. So I'm going to take you over to their website so you can see how much this will cost, and see if it comes in any other colors. Maybe you're not a fan of black and you don't want black, so let's see what else it comes in. Okay, so if you want to pick this case up, it's going to be kind of pricey. It's going to be $79.95 with tax, but I recommend these cases because these are good cases. These have 25 feet drop protection, as you can see, and you also get a lifetime warranty with these cases. So you can get this case in rust, you can get it in carbon fiber, which is the color they sent me. You can also get it in silver. You can get it in black. You can get it in black. And also you can get it in marbled. So which is like a blue color. So pretty. Let's open this up. Test it on the phone. And see what we get. So this is what the case will look like when you get it for yourself. It has that carbon fiber around the MagSafe cutout. That is really nice. You get that honeycomb design on the outside for grips. You get a little honeycomb pattern in the inside. So you just want to get your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Place it in like so. This is what you will get. It has a nice lip, just like it should. It has a really deep lip with this being the Pro, so I know if you drop it flat down on the table, you're good to go. You do get nice access to that power button. It's nice and clicky. At the bottom here, you get all the ports that you are supposed to have. You get 2 slots for a lanyard if you want to do that. There's that honeycomb design. I feel like it's for grip protection. You get your volume up and down button. They're nice and clicky. You get nice access for that new action button right there. You do get some feet, so if you drop your phone on the corner somewhere, you should be good to go. On the back here, you do get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So now let's test it out on the wireless charger and on the MagSafe charger. First for MagSafe. It's going to work because it has MagSafe capability. But say you have a MagSafe case, but you do not have a MagSafe wireless charger, you can still just charge it wirelessly, or you're supposed to be able to charge it wirelessly with the regular wireless charging cable, wireless charging pad. But if you're not, don't worry, don't fret. You do have access to just plug it into USB Type-C and you will be good to go. So now let's turn over to the Kevlar version of this case and let's see what that one's looking like. It's going to be the exact same look and feel, just gives you a little different color. And it has Kevlar, which Kevlar is a more richer product, I believe, than the carbon fiber. But they still both do what you need them to do. And UAG makes nice quality cases, so you don't have to worry about that there. So now let's go over to the Monarch Pro in the Kevlar. And let's see if you can get this case in any other colors. I'm sure you probably can, but I want to make sure. So just bear with me, and here it is right here. That's for the 14 Pro. This is for the 15 Pro, but it'll come in all different. It'll come in the exact same case option for 15 Pro Max. They currently have this running at $99.95. Some of you might be like, I'm not going to spend that kind of money on a case. Well, you don't have to, but if you do, at least you'll know that with UAG you're going to be protected and you have a lifetime warranty. So it's actually worth it to spend this kind of money on a case like this. It's because it has the Kevlar in it. I believe so. So you do get this in 3 different colors. You get the Kevlar Element Green, which is the color they sent me, and it has a hint of orange. Then you also get it in Kevlar Black with a hint of red. And you get it in Kevlar Silver with a hint of red. So now let's put it on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and let's see what we're rocking with. So this is what it's going to look like on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It looks and feels just like this case, except this one has the Kevlar around the edges and it's green. So you will be able to do the exact same charging with this case. And you also have access to plugging it in to a USB Type-C charging cable. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.